Hello John, I'd like to talk about introduce my favorite person. Every member in my family is my favorite and my favorite, but still if saying about my most favorite member, my father. He supports me in every situation. He does hard work for make our family capable. He never tells her sadness anyone. He thinks about the other member first. He is the best for me in the world. I love my father very much. Thanks for listening.
আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার, দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী, শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন, লিফটেড 3, ব্লক কে।